What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to continue working on our TJ project, and today we're going to do an FM radio antenna replacement for the actual whip. And I'm going to do something that's very trivial, but there's a plastic cover that goes over top of this, and mine was dry rotted and faded pretty bad, so I pried that off, which I'll have in the other video clip here, and we'll get this we'll get this antenna replacement done. This is the FM radio antenna mount, and there's a little plastic cover that slides over it. Okay, and that does fit snug. What you do is you take a small regular screwdriver and just pry along all the edges, and it pops off. You can buy new antenna mounts, but what I'm going to do is just refinish this one, and I'm going to use a little bit of this Rust-Oleum truck bed coating that I have left from the YJ. And so what I'm going to do is take and just kind of hold that in my hand. This is just a junky little flashlight that I had, and I'm just going to hold that in my hand and spray it and put a nice little coating on it. That's it. Plain, simple, easy. Like I said, guys, very simple, easy way to do this. Just hold it here and just like that. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'll probably do a second coat. That way I'm sure that there's coverage, because it is plastic, and this is not like, I'm not like using Krylon, which is what you typically want to use on plastic. So we'll see how this first round dries, and then we'll put a second coat on if we need to. Alright guys, so this is the antenna I'm going to use to replace the factory one that was broken off. And this is from, it says Rugged Ridge, but on the back it says Omex 17212.11. It's a 15-inch antenna, fits 97 to 17 Wrangler TJ and JK. They do give you 2 adapter screws, the threads here. So while we're waiting for the plastic trim piece to dry, we're going to go ahead and fit the antenna and see which threaded adapter we'll need to use. Alright guys, so the plastic piece is done. It's not great, but it looks a lot better than that faded gray, dry rotted look. I went ahead and got the correct thread for this, and real simple. Just thread that down. Like that. And there you go. Now we got a replacement antenna. We'll see how good it works. I was getting reception even without an antenna. So I think even though this is a shorter antenna, I think we'll still do just fine as far as radio reception. So that's it, guys. That's how you replace the antenna and refurbish your plastic antenna mount bezel area. Again, very trivial thing, but what I'm trying to do is keep things sort of cheap, because I want to focus more on suspension, wheels, and tires, and that stuff gets a little pricey. So all these little odds and ends we're doing are just cheap, you know, $10, $15 parts, nothing major, before we get into the big money. So with that said, Hope you guys will join us for the TJ journey. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you're notified of any new videos I post, and give us a like and a share. And we'll catch you all at the next video. See you guys. Bye-bye.